everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see how to migrate or import Azure DevOps repository to GitHub, right? So let's get started, and also before that, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So here I have opened my Azure DevOps portal and my GitHub portal. I have logged in with Azure DevOps and as well as GitHub with my user account. So both the accounts are different. It's not the same, right? So first we will go to the Azure DevOps portal. Here I have repository Terraform POC, and inside Terraform POC there are two branches. One is main and one is feature branch. So it contains some files like Windows virtual machine. There is a folder Windows virtual machine, and then there is three files: main.tf, output.tf, variable.tf, right? So these are all Terraform files, and there is one more branch. It contains the same files, right? So we will go to import this repository into GitHub. We'll go to the GitHub. Here in the dashboard, you will see a button called new. Click this, and then if you come here you will see a link, import a repository, right? Click this. Now scroll down. So here you have to provide the URL for your source repository, right? So here we'll come to the Azure DevOps, and there is a clone button on the right hand side corner. You click this, you will get the URL. Copy this and paste it here. Now you have to, now it's saying please enter your credentials if required for cloning your remote repository. So here you have to provide the username and the access token or password for your source repository, right? So I'll let you know how to generate it. So here if you come back to Azure DevOps portal, there is a button called generate git credentials. Click it, and then you will get the username as well as password. Copy that, paste here, and same copy the password, paste here. This is done. Give your repository the name. So my repository name was terraform underscore POC. I'll copy this and paste here. So if you want to make your repository public or private, you can choose between them. Now I'll begin import. I'll click the import button. So it is preparing for the import. It is importing commits and revision history to GitHub. So you will see the commits and the history as well. So if you see there is a message, there is no need to keep this window open. We will email you when the import is done. So you will get a mail as well. The ID which you have logged in here, you will get a mail if you have provided the email ID there in your profile, right? So my import is completed. The new repository is ready. I'll click this button, the link. Now if you see, my files are being imported, and if I go to the branches, I can see my feature branch as well. So my branch is imported, my files is imported, and let's see about the history. So history, if you see, I have deleted a text 5 days ago. It is saying yes. There are like 16 commits. All commits are imported, and I have added readme file 4 months ago. Then I have updated few files 5 days ago. So it is showing all the history as well. If we go to the commits, so you can see all the commits on the branches, right? So this is how we import the repository from Azure DevOps to GitHub. So yeah, if you really like this video, it was helpful, so like this video and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.